Today we have the Peugeot 208 with those beautiful shark teeth, and today I'm going to give it a first impression, non-scripted review. We'll start with the boot, and it does have actually decent space, but I think the competitors have a little bit more. We'll move on straight away to the back seats, where I found this to be, that's my seating position, and in all fairness, this is a little bit cramped. You got isofixers over here for car seats. We'll quickly move on to the front, and this must be one of the slickest interiors for a car today. Engine start stop, very simple, straightforward, but check out the steering wheel. It's underneath the dashboard, it's tiny, it's square, it's quirky, it's interesting. There's not much storage over here. You do have two cup holders, and the armrest has a very small storage in there. You got some door bins, which are nice and wide. You can fit nice big bottles over here. Over here there's a little bit more storage. You have a glove box that is not the biggest in the market today, and over here you have another piece of storage where you can charge your phone. I'll stick that back in there, and I'll keep my phone in there whilst I'm doing this review. You got a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm not connecting my phone to this car as I've only got it for a few minutes. Now the instrument, the display cluster over here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is some kind of 3D effect that's actually pretty cool. This is the Petrol model. Prices start from about just above £19,000. The steering wheel does have reach and rake, and you can get extremely comfortable in this car, and I gotta tell you, it is pretty nice in here. It is a very, very nice car. I like it. The materials are nice. You got the soft touch leather around here. Obviously it's fake leather. You got this carbon fiber effect that goes all around the car. It's actually quite nice. I like it, and I like the seating position. The front is extremely spacious. It's a shame it can't be said about the back. To control the climate, you got to touch the climate button over here, and this is where you control the temperature and the speed that you want it, and exactly where you want it to blow from. Otherwise you have these shortcut buttons. There's not much here. You can switch it off, you can switch off the climate, but it does have a physical control knob to control the audio. I'm going to take it for a little drive and see how it feels on the road. To get it in drive, you do have to press this unlock button on the side, and that's how you get it into drive. When you put it back, if you want to put it in reverse, just going like this is not enough. You do have to press the unlock button and it will go in reverse. And when you finish and you want to stop, you just press the P button and you do the engine start stop to turn off the engine, and you're good. Now let's get cracking. I've literally only just got in this car about 2 minutes ago, so I don't know anything about this car. So this review is a complete first impression review on how this car drives. Pulling off is okay. It's quiet. It feels extremely nimble. I really like the small steering wheel. For the 2 minutes I was in here, I did notice something that was very annoying, and that is that the brake pedal is extremely annoying. When you touch it, it makes this noise all the time, and it's quite a loud noise. But one thing is nice is the sound of the indicator. It does sound really good. Today we are in Hampstead Gardens suburb, one of the nicest areas of London in the UK, one of the most expensive areas, but I'm not here to talk about the neighborhood. We're here to talk about the car. So far it's driving okay. Again, that brake pedal is annoying me a little bit, but I love this steering wheel. And having the instrument clutter, the instruments on top of the steering wheel, is a little bit different. It might need getting used to. I don't know if it's for everybody. I don't mind it. I like it. Today we're in Hampstead Heath. We have the Heath to the left, and growing up I actually grew up here on the right in one of these apartment blocks. What a place to grow up as a child. What a place. Today in London it's a beautiful day. It's 25 degrees Celsius, that is, and this car feels nimble. I like it. It's precise. You turn the wheel and the whole car just turns. Oh, You do have 3 driving modes. You have over here, you can change it. Hold on one second, let me just pull over that I can show you. You have here a small little knob where you push it forward and it takes you into eco mode. I don't know if you can see it on the instrument cluster, and if you press it backwards you go into sport mode, which is what we're going to try on this road because it's a beautiful sporty road. Hopefully that car will move over. Oh, thank God for that. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Let's keep it in the speed limit. You can hear the gear is holding onto a lower gear. Let me just slow down as we go around this bend and speed up as we go around it. Oh yes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I like this car. It's not as sporty as the Mini though, but the Mini is much more expensive. Okay, I'm gonna put this back into normal mode. Again, that brake pedal is really annoying me. Really annoying me. There, that one. I'm sure you can hear it. You know, also I like is the feel of the material on the steering wheel. Don't think it's real leather, but it's definitely got the leather effect, and I like it. I actually really like it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this review. It's literally a first impression review. I do have to give the car back. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload these kind of videos weekly. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified of next time I upload such a video. And I will just take this for a short point of view test drive. I'll keep quiet, I think. I'll try my best anyway. Enjoy the view. It's stunning. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you, I really appreciate it. But please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this vehicle, put them in the comments below and I will try and answer them as honestly and as best as I can. Thank you and make it a great day.